very warm welcome to each one of you attending this CII Media and Entertainment Summit 2012. A very special welcome indeed to Secretary Mr. Uday Kumar Verma for really making it here this morning. We know the constraints under which he has really come and joined this inaugural session, and we are very happy that he has been able to do this. This summit comes at a very important point in time, and CII has a tremendous priority which it is now attached to this industry, and the primary objective of this India Big Picture Summit is to really fire the spirit of creative and business leaders of the Indian media and entertainment industry to chalk out a path for scaling new heights along with the government and the regulator. With that promise, CII has brought together the decision makers of the entire value chain of the media and entertainment sector, including the civil society, to set targets and achieve goals on time frames. Some of you who are aware of the CII PwC study would know that it reveals that India is currently ranked 14th in the global media and entertainment value chain, hovering around $17 billion and growing year on year at a compound annual growth rate of 14%. Can we achieve $100 billion in this decade for the Indian M&E sector? The Indian M&E CEOs have shown confidence to be able to achieve this goal, and we must aspire it for now, or otherwise it's never going to happen. Towards achieving this objective, CII's vision to create growth templates in all M&E verticals and bring the industry together to speak in a united voice for all major issues. There is a massive growth on the Indian digital media front. We will document all the game-changing pointers and growth templates and present it to the government after we really go through this entire summit. We have also deviated from the usual M&E conference streams to make the proceedings focused, interactive, and bring in consensus wherever necessary. I must also very warmly and specially welcome Mr. Andy Kaplan, the president of the worldwide network Sony Picture Television, for having really accepted our invitation and for coming here and spending his valuable time with us as a keynote speaker of this session. Once again, I would like to really warmly welcome and thank Mr. Uday Kumar Verma for his presence and also for the tremendous support that we have received from him over the last few months in really making this, and his officials, all the INB officials, for making this M&E this conference today a reality. CII is organizing this summit coinciding with the 100 years of Indian cinema, a push here from the government to enable regulatory infrastructure and policy reforms will create a world-class knowledge-driven entertainment economy. We wish you all a very productive time, and I'm sure that such an august gathering, the CII India Big Picture Summit and the Indian M&E industry will really be able to break new ground. Before I conclude, I would like to also acknowledge the tremendous support that we have received and the inputs that we have received from some of the people who are really here, as you see them on the dais, Mr. Amit Khanna, Mr. Uday Shankar, and Mr. Ronnie Screwvala, for really guiding us through making this summit a strong one and really going into the details of the content. We have here over 100 media and entertainment CEOs at the summit, and our special thanks to each one of you for really having made it.